I appreciate the returning subscribers. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. I really need my videos to start getting pushed a little bit more. And if you like the video, that helps. And share the video as far as that goes. So let's look at what we're dealing with today. I took the liberty to unbox everything, and I've got it all laid out here. So it's just a matter of some sub-assembly, which I'll get started on that here directly. And then we've got this instruction sheet. It basically shows you where everything goes. This is probably self-explanatory, but it's always nice to have something to refer back to. Okay, right there it says it's 12 ton. Excuse me. I know that's not a lot. The one up in the other shop's 20 ton, but this is more than enough for what I do. Now, one thing I do want to point out is there's a little band-aid on my arm here. And basically what happened is I was assembling. I had it clamped to the cart, and I had a bungee cord on the other side. And as I was running the impact, evidently everything vibrated enough that this piece here fell down, hit my arm, and ripped the skin loose and actually aggravated the bone a little bit. Alright, so it's completely assembled. It's got a nice little pressure gauge up here. I made sure everything was level and plumb. All the fasteners are tight. The jack is installed. The braces on the bottom of the legs. It's a pretty nice little unit. Let me know in the comments what you think. I appreciate you watching my videos, and have a great day.